Hi guys, my name is Anna Atina and today I am going to introduce you to variables and operators in Python. I am using Colab, Google, that allows you to write and execute Python in your browser. No setup is required. So let's start from what variables are. Variables are names given to data that we want to store and manipulate in our program. There are some specifications how to name a variable. So we can only use letters from A to Z, lower on or upper cases, numbers from 0 to 9, and underscores. You need to remember that naming a variable is case sensitive. We can either use the camel case notation or underscores. Camel case is the practice of writing compound words with mixed casing. And another common practice is to use underscores to separate the words in a name of variable. Some things to remember are that the first character cannot be a number, and we cannot use reserved words called keywords as name of variable, and spaces or special characters cannot be used in naming a variable in Python. Such words as print, input, if, while are reserved words. And number two, the statements x equal y and y equal x have very different meanings in programming. Let me show you an example of this. Press plus code to get a code cell. And now remember that in Python, we can assign anything to variable. We are going to use for our variable x and y. And now we are going to assign to our variable x 5. Enter. We are assigning to our variable y 10. Enter. We want to see an output of x plus y. Enter. And to see this output, we are going to use print function. Print, open round bracket of a, and we are going to execute the code. Simply press on this arrow or Ctrl plus Enter. It's calculating, answer is 15. This is what we would expect mathematically. And now, plus code again, we are going to assign value of y to our variable x. And again, enter. We want our answer to be b, x plus y. Close the bracket. To see an output, press enter. We are going to use function print. Type print, open bracket, answer b, and execute the code. Press arrow or Ctrl enter, and we are getting 20. You need to know that although x has an initial value of 5 declared in our first line, in our third line, we are assigning y to x. Hence, changing the value of x to 10. While the value of y remains unchanged. This is how programming works. The basic assignment operator, x equal 8, assigns the value 8 to the variable x. Compound assignment operator is used for arithmetic operations. Plus, equal sign, add and assign x plus 8. Subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign, exponentiation and assign, floor division and assign. And now let's see some examples of compound assignment operator. I assigned value 4 to my variable a, value 2 to my variable b. This calls hashtag, and this is a comment. Everything to the right of a hashtag, meaning comment, is not executed as a code in Python. We want to see addition assignment operator. This is shorthand. To execute this, simply type print of a, and we are going to press on arrow sign or Control plus enter. Output is 6. Okay, let's move forward. And now we have multiplication assignment operator. We are going to calculate this, print of a. We are getting output of 12. Let's move forward. Now we have division assignment operator. Syntax, as you can see. Now let's execute the code. Type print of a, run the code, press an error or Control plus error. You are going to get output of 6. Now, modulus assignment. You can see syntax for this. Now, output, we want to calculate it. We are using function print. Type print, run bracket, a, close the bracket, and run the code. Output is 0. Next syntax is a floor division. And output of this, print a, run the code, and you are getting 0, 0. Now let's summarize. What are assignment operators in Python? They are used to assign values to variables. Those operators can also perform additional operations during the assignment. The basic assignment operator is equal, which simply assigns the value of the right-hand operand, our 8, to the left-hand operand, our x. Other common assignment operators include add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign, exponentiation and assign, floor division and assign. In this example, 4 plus 2, 4 and 2 are operands. Plus is an operator.